In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance video quality on Kapwing. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to put in the video here inside your timeline. You want to click on it to select it, and then over here on the right-hand side, you simply want to click on these adjust settings. So you want to click on it, and then from here, you have a bunch of different options. So you can go ahead and play with the colors, and you can, of course, set to whatever color you want. You could go ahead and play with tints here. You could go ahead and play with saturation. So if you want it to be less or more saturated, you can play with lighting. So for this, it's actually exposure over here. You could play with contrast. You could play with highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, all like that. Okay, so as you can see, you can just use these sliders, and then when you actually adjust these, then eventually, hopefully, you'll be able to get your video enhanced, and then your quality is going to be a bit better. Now over here, as you can see, it already does look a bit better than it did earlier because I just adjusted some settings, but this is basically their video enhancer inside these adjustments, and that's the only way you can do it inside Kapwing. So of course, if you have, like, for example, some very shaky and maybe like moving, like car driving or walking, stuff like that, you could also go ahead and use this stabilize under AI tools up here, which will basically kind of enhance the video quality by stabilizing it so it's not as shaky and stuff like that. But that's pretty much all you can do in here, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.